How to filter a Spark data frame by a boolean column? I created a data frame that has the following schema. I want to select only the records with the open column that is true. The following command I run in apachespark returns nothing.
You're comparing data types incorrectly. Open is listed as a boolean value, not a string, so doing yelp_df open equals true is incorrect. True is a string. Instead you want to do this correctly compares the values of open against the boolean primitive true, rather than the non-boolean string true.
Looks like you're on apachespark, from filters documentation. Filter condition. Condition is a column of types. Boolean type or a string of SQL expression. Since open column boolean, nullable equals true, the following works and avoids flake 8C712 error. Yelp_df.filter yelp_df open.collect.
In Spark, Scala, I can think of two approaches. Approach 1, Spark SQL command to get all the bool columns by creating a temporary view and selecting only boolean columns from the whole data frame. However, this requires boolean columns to be determined or sticking columns from schema based on data type. Approach 2, filter the data frame if schema is defined.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.